Welcome to the daily nature session. I'm glad you've joined today, taking this moment to pause and focus on yourself. This time is all about you, to relax, breathe, and let go of the day's stresses. Let's start together, and I hope this session brings you calm and makes your day a little brighter. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Whether you're sitting or lying down, let your body rest naturally without any tension. Close your eyes gently and let the outside world fade away for now. This is your time, just for you. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, slowly and fully, and exhale softly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale, releasing any tension in your body. One more time. Inhale deeply, feeling the air flow in, and exhale, letting everything go. As your breathing settles into its natural rhythm, notice how your body feels. Are there any areas where you're holding tension? Gently allow those areas to soften and relax. Let your jaw unclench, your hands loosen, and your legs feel heavy against the surface beneath you. Let go of any thoughts or worries that might be circling in your mind. Imagine them drifting away like clouds, leaving your mind calm and open. This is your space to unwind. Take a moment to appreciate the stillness before we move into today's journey. Picture yourself sitting on a peaceful beach. The sand beneath you is soft and cool, and the sun is setting in the distance, painting the sky with warm shades of orange, pink, and gold. The ocean stretches out endlessly in front of you, its gentle waves rolling in and out, creating a steady, soothing rhythm. The air is warm and fresh, carrying the faint scent of salt and seaweed. You press your hands into the sand, feeling the tiny grains shift and move between your fingers. It's a simple, grounding sensation, connecting you to the earth beneath you. The gentle breeze brushes against your skin and plays with your hair, bringing a calm energy that makes you feel present and at ease. Your eyes wander to the shoreline where something catches the sunlight, a smooth, polished shell. You walk over to it, feeling the soft sand under your feet. Picking up the shell, you notice its surface is cool and shiny, with intricate swirls and patterns. It feels firm and comforting in your hand, like a small gift from the ocean. You smile, tuck it into your lap, and sit back down to watch the waves. In the distance, you notice movement on the horizon. A pod of dolphins leaps gracefully from the water, their sleek bodies glistening in the last light of the day. They seem playful and free, diving and jumping in perfect harmony. You watch them for a while, feeling their energy, simple, joyful, and completely in tune with their surroundings. The sun dips lower, casting a soft golden glow over everything. Its light dances on the waves, creating shimmering, sparkling patterns that feel almost magical. The rhythm of the waves continues, each one washing gently onto the shore before retreating back into the ocean. With every wave, imagine your worries being carried away, replaced by a growing sense of calm and ease. You close your eyes for a moment, listening to the sounds around you. The waves, the occasional call of a distant seagull, and the rustle of the breeze weave together like a peaceful melody. As you breathe in, you feel the air fill your lungs, fresh and cool. As you breathe out, you let go of any lingering tension. When you open your eyes again, the beach feels even more peaceful. The ocean, the sand, the sunset, they all seem to remind you of the beauty in slowing down and simply being present. This is your moment to let go, to breathe, and to feel connected to the world around you. As you sit in this moment of calm, think about how the ocean waves move in and out, steady and unhurried. They don't rush or resist. They simply flow, no matter what. Life can be like that too, full of rhythms, ups and downs. There will be moments of calm and moments of chaos. But just like the ocean, you have the strength to keep going, one wave at a time. Sometimes we hold on to stress or try to control things beyond our reach. But what if, just for a moment, you let go? Like the waves carrying away sand, imagine letting go of the things that weigh you down. Trust that you have the resilience to handle what comes next, and you don't need to have all the answers right now. Remember, even small moments of peace, like this one, can have a big impact on how you feel. Taking time to breathe, to pause, and to reconnect with yourself can make the challenges of life feel a little lighter. For the rest of your day, try to carry this sense of ease with you. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, imagine the sound of the waves, steady and calming, always there to guide you back to center. Take a quiet moment now to listen to the sounds around you and just be still. As we come to the end of today's session, take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with calm, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Let your body feel grounded and at ease. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. I hope this session has helped you find a little peace and clarity. Remember, this sense of calm is always within you, ready to be revisited whenever you need it. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's daily nature session. Until then, take care of yourself, and may your day be filled with moments of quiet and joy. Goodbye for now.